Stop that drip. Replacing Moen 1234 cartridges. Still listening to that drip, drip, drip in your bathroom? Don't let it drive you crazy. And stop throwing money down the drain. Today we're fixing a dripping Moen Eva T6420 series faucet by replacing both cartridges. I've already done the trial and error, so you don't have to. Let's jump right in. Welcome to Car Care Fix, the channel where we take the mystery out of automotive maintenance. Tools and materials you'll need: Moen 1234 Duralast cartridge, hot-cold. Moen cartridge removal tool, 1T772. Tools: Phillips screwdriver, Allen wrench, adjustable wrench or channel locks, needle nose pliers, extras, plumber's grease, clean rag, paper towels, bowl, and a flashlight. Step 1. Shut off the water. First things first, safety and mess prevention. Turn off those supply valves under the sink. Give your faucet a quick test to ensure the pressure is totally gone. No water, no mess. Step 2. The right part. Don't buy the wrong one. Here's where I saved you some trouble. I initially grabbed a Moen 12024, but it didn't fit. For the Moen Eva series, you need the 1234 Duralast cartridge. Pro tip: if your handle uses a Phillips screw, it's usually a 1224. If it doesn't, you're likely looking for the 1234. Always check your specific model. Step 3. Remove handles and trim. Time to strip it down. Depending on your setup, you'll need an Allen wrench or a small screwdriver to loosen the set screw hidden under the handle. Once that's loose, pop the handle off and remove the decorative trim. Same process for both the hot and cold sides. Step 4. Extract the old cartridges. Now for the core repair. Take your Moen 1T772 removal tool, fit it over the cartridge, and give it a gentle twist. If you don't have the tool, needle nose pliers work in a pinch. Just be careful not to damage the valve body. Once it's loose, pull it straight out. Step 5. Clean and install. Before putting the new ones in, use a rag to wipe out the inside of the valve body. You want a clean, mineral-free surface. Crucial step: notice the small alignment tab on the Moen 1234 cartridge. Make sure that lines up perfectly when you drop it in. It should sit completely flush. Step 6. Reassembly and testing. Reverse the process. Put your trim back on, reinstall the handles and tighten everything down. Snug is good, but don't over-crank it and strip the screws. Slowly turn your water supply back on and check for leaks. Look at that. No more wasted water. You just fixed your faucet like a pro. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please subscribe to the channel and join our community of DIY mechanics. Check out my other videos for more tips on sensor diagnostics and engine performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next Car Care Fix.